Let's talk about deadweight loss in imperfect competition. So in perfect competition, we're producing where supply equals demand. And this is called allocatively efficient. And it's also called socially optimal, because it's best for all aspects of society, producers and consumers. Surplus is maximized. There's no way to get more surplus with the current supply and demand than producing where supply equals demand. So if we go to a firm, an imperfectly competitive firm, we have marginal cost and we have demand. And for all intents and purposes, marginal cost is the firm's supply curve. So this would be the allocatively efficient price. We call this socially optimal quantity, socially optimal or allocatively efficient. This would be the same as perfect competition. There would be no deadweight loss. But since the marginal revenue curve deviates from the demand curve in non-price discrimination in almost all imperfect competition, and it deviates because when you drop price for one customer to increase quantity, you have to drop for all. There's another video specifically about why that deviates. But as marginal revenue deviates from demand, we are going to produce where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. And this is the price of profit maximizing. So I'll do price profit. And here's my quantity profit. Which means here's my, and demand equals price. Here's my price. Here's my marginal cost. Also, a way to look at this is price equals demand. Marginal cost equals supply. So my demand does not equal supply. We are not producing here. Demand is greater than supply. So my deadweight loss is kind of the difference between demand and marginal cost all the way over to their intersection. And the AP exam wants you to say, why does deadweight loss exist in imperfect competition? This could be a MOCO, an oligopoly, a monopoly. And the reason deadweight loss exists because price is greater than marginal cost. That means supply does not equal demand, price is greater than marginal cost, and that is your deadweight loss. Now we can have deadweight loss on the other side as long as price doesn't equal marginal cost, we'll have deadweight loss.